New Contact Us support feature is available now in Elektraweb. With Contact Us feature inside Elektraweb, you will be able to easily get in contact with our support team and send your questions and requests to all related departments. By clicking on the Contact Us icon in the upper toolbar, window for tracking and creating support requests will be opened. With the plus button, new blank record will be displayed. From here, you should define the type of the request, whether this is the problem, extra request, or if you want to get additional information about a certain topic, you may select Info Request. Next, you should select to which module inside Elektraweb is this request related to. For example, reservation, housekeeping, CRM, channel manager, or any other module inside the system. For every request, new form should be created. In this field, you should write the text of the message and press the Enter button, and, if desired, you may also add the photo of the related screen. This message and request will be automatically sent to our support team. Expert on technical issues for the related department will answer to your message. You may see the name of the person in charge for your requests from here. Every request you opened will be listed on the main screen. Number of the request will be displayed in the lower left corner. By clicking on the pencil icon or Edit button, you will be able to continue with the chat related to your request. If the request you opened is solved, you can click on Close Task button, and before closing the screen, you can evaluate the expert that was dealing with your request. Points should be between 0 and 100. From the Filtering button in the upper left corner, you can use the filtering option to search for new and old requests, as well as sort them according to your preferences.